ปะรังเพวันตังปเรสังเมยังปล่อยชาเมียงก็ตะมัง
សូមអនុមោទនាសាធុសាធុសាធុ May the steps that we have concluded in walking meditation be the steps that have brought us closer to awareness, mindfulness, self-mastery, and application of the Buddha's path, brought us nearer to realizing the peace that has been buried inside of our hearts and minds, right underneath our noses and right within us the whole time. May this meditation cultivate mindfulness within us that leads to the conviction that is needed to see past the physical world into the world of higher frequency, better understanding, clarity, clairvoyance, happiness, a happiness that is independent of a material substance or phenomena. Brings me to the topic today, which I thought was always so helpful. It was very helpful for me when I found out about this some odd years ago. It is the Eightfold Path. But because of time restrictions, we will go and break them down to the first 3 categories. Hopefully, we can finish the first 3 categories. I woke up this morning and I felt that twitching inside of my mind, worry inside of my mind, and doubt that I was going to be able to proceed forth with a message for myself and all the rest of you that is going to be of something of substance, something that we could use in our practice. And I started to become agitated. We know that worry is one of the 5 hindrances of the meditation practitioner. We know the things that it comes with and the partners that it rolls with, the friends that it carries with it at all times. But when we're talking about the Dhamma, we're talking about the nature of things that are the way that they really are. We're talking about things as they are and how we perceive them towards our practice and development of our mindfulness and awareness and the present moment. Why am I having doubts and worrying about speaking of the right now? I never have any worry or complications when I meet somebody and talk to them. So why do I need to be worried now? Where did the worry come from? Why did these doubts appear? The first part of the Eightfold Path is your perception, your view, how you see things, how to have the correct view, correct perception, and the correct understanding. Without the correct view, you start to make mistakes. Without the correct view, you get yourself into a lot of trouble. Without the correct view, you cannot make the correct intention. You cannot goal set properly, which is number 2 of the Eightfold Path. The reason why I was having anxieties and worry was because my attention was shifted. I was starting to listen to the whispers of betrayal. I was listening to the whispers of doubt instead of ignoring them. My intention for walking meditation is not to come here to give a lecture. My intention for walking meditation is to follow the guidelines, the practice and implementation of the Buddha's words and wisdom, and to better myself, not to come give a pretty lecture for everyone. Once that was understood, once that view was corrected, the doubt disappeared, the worry disappeared, the agitation disappeared, and my intention became stronger. My conviction became stronger. My purpose for meditation while walking became much more lighter. When we make the proper intention, we must know what we're getting into. Without the correct view and perception, it could do a lot of damage. Financially, a lot of mental stress can be added to our days and our time. Now we've made promises that we don't want to complete. I bought a gym membership and I don't want to go anymore. I made plans with friends and I really don't want to go out. I told myself I'm going to jog a mile. I told myself I'm going to jog 1 kilometer, and I know I can't run a city block. When you have the depth of your perception become stronger, you start to tell yourself, what do I need to fulfill this task? So therefore, my intention will not be corrupted by anything that comes along the way. When you don't have a strong intention, you start to look for other things. When I came to this meditation retreat, I set the intention very standard, something that I could complete, something that was important, and anything else that comes along the way, whether it is a good or bad whisper, it is extra, it is a disturbance and a hindrance to the intention I set. I came to better my health, the quality of my meditation, quality of meditation to improve my health. That was the standard. I did not come for more pressure in the hot water in the morning. I didn't come to be the king of social media. I didn't come to people please. I came here to realize the things that we don't see in our busy lives. The third part of the Eightfold Path is having the correct speech, correct view and intention, and to have the correct speech. Now, speech is very important for a lot of reasons. We know that the Buddha had 3 types of speech. He spoke 3 different ways. Either he would elaborate, give a long answer, a short answer, or he would not give an answer at all. What is speech? Speech is sound. It is a vibration. If we know the frequency, the vibration of sound changes the molecules of water to different shapes and patterns, what about the speech that you say to yourself or to other human beings or sentient beings that are made up of 70% water? It is important that we say good speech. If you have nothing good to say, then don't say it at all. Every culture has this saying. If you have nothing nice to say, close your mouth. If it is something worthy and good, say it. I love you. I'm happy for you. Congratulations. You've done a good job. These are praiseworthy speech etiquettes. Sharing metta, karuna, love and compassion, love and mercy, is a formidable character as a person that is working in the footsteps of self-mastery through vipassana and meditation practice. These things cannot be forgotten. Remember, meditation is not a behavioral pattern change with the actions of the body. Meditation is a change of mindset that brings gold, that brings wealth, that brings prosperity into your life with an existing happiness that is inside of you. With that being said, we will continue formal meditation for approximately 30 to 45 minutes. If I have said anything that goes against the Buddha, the Dhamma, the Sangha, please do not blame the path of the Lord and Master Buddha. It is because I am lacking in knowledge. I am not a scholar of Buddhism, nor am I a meditation master. I am a practitioner. With that being said, brothers and sisters, let us continue. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Phiền viên ta mô khăn dương cái nhâm tiếng la hì mọc xôm tu su nở hạt đại cu chấm ra hình vết nhang